Okay, over here we have 3 variables. So if 3 variables, I will use my chain rule. Okay, here for this question, find stationary points. Don't forget to find your value of y. And then from the stationary points, use the value of x to do your first derivative. Okay, to draw the graph, you don't have to draw cubic graph, you don't have to find the y-axis, the y-intercept. You just need to find the x-intercept. You got all the maximum minimum points from part A and B, so combine them, you will get this graph. Okay, for this one, the equation of tangent y equals mt x plus c. Okay, make sure you know which point you're using. For this question, I would suggest you expand your y first. Okay, so you expand what it is so that it is easier for integration later. Okay, to find area, we have to draw a graph. Okay, I told you in previous videos, to find area, we have to draw a graph. This is the reason why. Because if the graph, if the region is above your axis, no problem. But if the region is below the axis, then you will get a negative area, so you have to modulus it. Okay, you see, you have to take care of your modulus. If the answer from modulus gives you negative, then you make it positive. But if the answer you get is positive, it will remain positive. Okay, check your modulus. Modulus is always positive. Over here, we will play with 2 logarithmic properties. I have showed you using the arrows, which one is which. Okay, all the tips are over here. Okay, quotient rule. Expansion also. Index property, how you factorize. Okay, this is by parts. For log-pad, the one above will be u, but the one below will be dv. And this is a special type of substitution. Okay, at the last part, you don't forget to substitute a u. You check the working. If substitution, we need to differentiate. And then usually we will change our dx. Okay, for this one, product rule, yang ada kuasa, nak differentiate v, saya differentiate dari luar ke dalam, and then di dalam, saya gerak dari kiri ke kanan. Okay, do step by step over there. Okay, this one, soalan suruh kamu guna substitution. So if substitution, then I need to play with differentiation. Over here, I need to play with trigonometric identity also. Okay, integrate 1 over u square, you will not get logarithm. You only get logarithm kalau atas adalah constant, bawah adalah linear. For this case, kamu kena tukar bentuk. So, tukarkan kepada u power negative 2, and then you integrate macam biasa. Kuasa bertambah sebanyak 1 bahagi kuasa baru. Don't forget to change what is your u. Okay, so we have come to the end of part A for set MCO, set MCO 2.